Alright, welcome to my backyard. The partial solar eclipse is happening right now. And take a look at how blue the skies are. Perfect conditions to see the partial eclipse. And you don't need anything fancy. And when the eclipse is going on, my solar panel power goes down the toilet. And I'll show you here in the garage in a second. But let's take a look and see the eclipse. Right there. Just about maximum. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go in the garage and I'll show you how this partial eclipse is affecting my solar panel power. Alright, so the solar eclipse is just right before maximum, just a couple minutes before maximum. And it's just like a cloud going in front of the sun on a sunny day. But as you can see, clear blue skies, and it doesn't look like clear blue skies because there's a moon in front of the sun. All right, let's take a look at our power levels. Yeah, about 3 to 4 times less power. I should be making, especially on the south array right here, should be well over 2,400 watts. Pergola still shaded a little bit, but these guys right here will be making into the low 2000s easily. So there you have it. And now you know. Have a good one. Have a good weekend.